In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tools blog using the Sora SEO2 template. This process will help you set up a professional looking blog perfect for showcasing and explaining different tools. Let's dive right in. Firstly, navigate over to www.blogger.com. On this platform, start by clicking on the option to create a new blog. It's a straightforward step, allowing you to establish the foundation for your blog. Once you've done that, we move to personalization with themes. Go ahead and install the Sora SEO2 template. To do this, upload the .xml file by heading to Theme and then clicking on Restore. This step ensures that your blog gets a modern and professional look with SEO advantages right from the start. Next, go to the Layout section. Here, you can customize your page by removing any demo widgets you don't need. This will help streamline your blog's appearance, making it cleaner and more relevant to your content. For the next steps, you'll add a specific area for tools. Start by adding a new page or section dedicated to these tools. You'll need to go to Pages and select New Page. Title this page Tools or Free Tools. The choice is yours, depending on whether you want to convey a sense of free resources. Once your page is ready, it's time to embed your tools. In your newly created page, switch to HTML mode. Here, paste any embed codes or custom scripts for tools you'd like to feature, such as calculators, generators, or any interactive widgets. This is where the practical, hands-on aspects of your blog come to life. After setting up the tools page, ensure that viewers can easily access it. Head back to Layout and look for the menu or navigation area. Add links here to your tool pages, ensuring that visitors can easily find these resources as soon as they land on your homepage. This makes your blog user-friendly and navigable. Aesthetics are just as crucial as functionality, so let's customize the layout and colors through the Theme Customize feature. This will allow you to match the blog's appearance to your brand's identity or personal style, creating an inviting environment for your audience. Now that the visual setup is well underway, focus on content. Write SEO-friendly posts describing each tool. This should include tips on how to use the tool, its benefits, and target keywords to increase visibility on search engines. It's important to strike a balance between being informative and engaging. Finally, it's time to publish your blog. But before that, it's crucial to test its functionality on both mobile and desktop platforms. This step ensures that your blog performs seamlessly, providing a flawless experience for every user, whether they're on a computer or a smartphone. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a tools blog with the Sora SEO2 template. With this setup, you're ready to share your insights and resources effectively with the world.